The non-volatile latch outlined here provides a permanent logical flag that is stored safely and does not reset upon restart or after the relay is powered down. This latch can be configured to be either set dominant or reset dominant. Typical applications include sustaining operator commands or permanently blocking relay functions such as an auto recloser until a deliberate interface action resets the latch. Here we're going to build a non-volatile latch circuit. We'll take inputs again. And we'll grab our latch, our non-volatile latch. So what we'll do here is we'll set one up as reset dominant and we'll set up a second one as a set dominant. We'll make the target self-resetting and we'll assign this to a virtual output. And in this case what we'll do is we'll set one up for both the on and the off. And let's assign LEDs to this as well. To align these, we can do the horizontal alignment. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and duplicate this whole circuit. And what we'll do different here is we'll make this set dominant. That way we'll be able to compare the two. Let's review the truth table for a reset dominant non-volatile latch. If the input set is on and the reset is off, the output on is on and the output off is off. If both the set and reset are both off, then both the output on and output off remain in their previous states. That means it doesn't change. If both the set and reset are both on, then the on output is off and the off output is on. Finally, if the set is off and the reset input is on, then the output on is off and the output off is on. Let's review the truth table for a set dominant non-volatile latch. If the set input is set to on and the reset input is set to off, then the output on is on and the output off is off. If both the set and reset are off, then the outputs on and off remain at their previous states, don't change. If the set and reset inputs are both on, then the output on is on and the output off is off. If the set input is off and the reset input is on, then the output on is off and the output off is on.